Hi everyone, my name is Menaka Herath. Welcome back to the Practi test session number 2. In this session, I'm going to show you how to use requirement module. Last time I showed you how to use a Practi test free account and the advantages of Practi test. And this time I'm going to teach you how to use requirement module. I already log into my free account. Once I log in, you will see my project name Southern Railway and all the other modules here. I'm using southernrailway.com as my project, so it is easy for you to understand how can we capture the requirements and how to use it in Practi test. In Southern Railway, once you log into the website, you will see sign in here. So we can use sign in or user requirement as our requirements in requirement module. I already created user registration here and user login, book tickets, delay repayments under requirement module. So when you wanted to create a new requirement, just click the new requirements here and type the requirement name. So for example, I'm going to type live departures live departures. And once you write the heading, you can add the description in here. Sometimes in real life situations you can't find the proper requirement specifications. In that case, you need to talk to your project manager or business analyst or any other people who is engaged with the project. Maybe you can talk to developers and gather the requirements as much as you can, and also the descriptions. For example, you can find the boundaries and you can get all the relevant descriptions and information which is relevant to that requirement, and you can put it into the description section. And once you've done that part, if you have any attachment, you can select choose attachments and you can add anything relevant to that requirement. And also you can give file links in here. And once you complete this section, you can do save changes, right? And click requirement module again and you will see the newly created requirements. In here, you can also see the status of the requirements. This is new user registration and its status is no run. That means it does have some test cases attached to it, but we didn't start to run it. For example, if I click test library, right, and traceability, that is user login, not this one. So let me click another one. See, you can see requirement 1, user registration. So this requirement and this test case are linked together. So if you have any test cases attached to this requirement, and if they are not run, the status you will see as not run. So in user login, I already have few test cases under user login, and I started one test case to run and the other one is still pending. So the status will be started. And book tickets, delay repayments, live departures, we don't have any test cases at the moment. So it is the status is not covered. By default, not covered is the status. So once you add test cases, then the status will change accordingly. And also in your left hand side, you can see some filters, right? Under status, you have block, we don't have anything block, failed, not covered, we got 3 requirements, passed, we don't have anything because these filters are depend on the test runs. So since we didn't run any test properly, or since we didn't complete any test set runs, you don't have much details under these filters. um, so I'm going to click the main filter, and you will see all the requirements underneath. And then also you can do the sorting in here. You can sort through the ID, ascending or descending, and you can sort by name, you can sort by status. Yes. And also, if you wanted to select few requirements together, and you can do batch edit, and you can add some comment to this one, right? You can say major requirements, or you can add any details and update. Okay, so that is all about requirement module. And also, if you wanted to go to a once you proceed your project, you will get like a really big list of requirements. And if you wanted to go to any requirement straight away, you can type the requirement number and press enter. Then it will straight away go to your requirement. After saving your requirement, in case if you wanted to edit your requirement details, you can click the requirement name, or you can straight away go to the requirement, typing your requirement number here, and press this button here, pencil button, and then you can edit the requirement. New user registration, I will change it to capitalization. Okay, and then also you can change the details in here. Also, you can create any new field, custom field here, right? um, I will show that part in settings. When we go to the settings, I'll show you how to use custom fields and filters there. And once you've done your changes, you can click save changes. And in task management, you can add this into waiting, to do, in progress, or done, right? So I'm going to change this to do and make it save. And when you go to your project under task board, under to do, you can see this one is pending. You can change the status at any time once you complete it, then either in progress or done. And if you wanted to delete any requirement, you can click delete, and it will delete your requirement, and you will see all the other requirements, right? Thank you very much for attending new session number 2. Bye.